Welcome to the Griddle Guys.
Welcome back.
Today on the Griddle Guys, you hear the excitement, I know you do. Jeff has me and Nate come over and he says, guys, I'm gonna burn some lettuce and you're gonna like it.
Today, we're doing something that I never thought I would love or like or want to try. Charred lettuce. Every time I see it at a restaurant, first thing I order every time now. And the simplicity is, this is it. So we'll get to it. Quick, easy. You don't have to do this. You can have a bottle of Cesar dressing, but I like this. I like the mayo base better.
What are you making now?
Cesar dressing. And yeah, you can make it with raw egg, which not a big fan of. Nate's kind of turned me off to raw egg stuff for the most part, but anyways. So we got about 3/4 of a cup of mayo, because this is gonna be a mayo based. Got about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Gonna go with about 2 tablespoons Parmesan. Teaspoon Worcestershire. Worcestershire. About 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm using this really nice press that Nate got me.
Now, Nate had to have shipped to him twice because he refused the shipment.
I did not refuse the shipment. We're gonna press the garlic.
That is a lot of garlic. That
Yes,
press
it
works
is.
pretty good though.
Yes, it is. See, enough came up. So we got that, and then we got the star of the party, anchovies.
Oh, I think I saw one move.
You know, this makes the dish.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah, so you say.
You need them.
I'll pass.
So I'm gonna take out 5 fillets, put them on paper towel just to get some of the oil off. We don't need to get rid of all of it, but there we go. So I'm just gonna slice those. We want this really fine.
Good knife skills. Good knife skills.
No, this doesn't have to be precise. Yes. So then we're gonna kind of mush it.
Oh yeah, smear it around. Smear it around. Do people make it without the sardines, you think?
They're not sardines.
I mean anchovies?
No, because the reason why people like Cesar or Cesar dressing is because it's got that salty bite to it.
Yeah.
And once this is mixed in with all the mayonnaise and everything,
You can't really taste it there.
you
anchovies.
lose the fish.
Yeah.
Doesn't smell great, no. So this is there. Gonna do a little salt and pepper.
You got some of this lemon going in there?
Already put it in,
Oh, that's right, you had the lemon juice. Yep.
just so that way you're not sure if you're chewing a
I guess
anchovy.
Peppermint too, but
Yeah, my
I'm
peppermint.
gonna have to mic you up.
It broke.
Yeah, we're gonna let this chill until we're done cooking, I assume? I'm not trying that.
You're most certainly trying that.
make sure I grab a big one, a tablespoon, not a teaspoon.
Thank you.
All right, for you, Jeff, for you.
You're gonna love this.
No, take more. Take more.
10 times better than anything out of the bottle.
Good. That is good. Wow, I got the lemon, I got a lot.
But you don't get the fish, right?
Don't look at the fish. A little bit of garlic. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of garlic. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Into the fridge.
All right, Jeff put me in charge of getting some
Chicken thighs.
seasoning
Chicken
on the chicken
thighs.
thighs and getting them on his griddle, which looks like a grill to me. Just
Griddle?
for tonight, we're the Grill Guys.
Griddle's not up from the garage yet. So chicken's gotta go down first.
A little heavy-handed, which I think is good.
So here, I'm just taking my romaine lettuce, full heads, cut the end off. Not a lot, just enough to clean it up. And then you're gonna want to go right down the middle. So we're gonna rinse this in water, clean that out. It's really that simple. Like, this is something that if you get home from work, you can put together in 5 minutes or less and then cook the chicken, that's it.
You want me to throw this down for your family too, Jeff? Throw this down?
Yeah.
Cook this?
Might as well.
Just been marinating.
Get some
Is this
marinated
tonight's dinner?
chicken for them, yeah.
Hey, what'd you do today? Oh, I went and cooked for Jeff's family. It's perfect.
You're not messing up the chicken, right, Chris?
I think I am. You told me to flip it, and I don't think they're ready to be flipped.
They're ready to be flipped. It's thighs. It goes quick. Nothing worse than an overcooked thigh.
Oh, come on. You know how difficult it is to overcook a thigh?
I've done it, so yeah, I do.
You must have cut the lawn in between.
It happens. So, chicken's done. It's off to the side there. I shut that burner off. I got 3 burners right here on your griddle. You just want to turn one side all the way up, let it get nice and hot.
How about Chris did a great job of the chicken?
I think it's overcooked, but we're gonna have to wait and see. So first, I'm turning this side down to low too. The grill's catching on fire though, but And this is just some garlic bread, some butter, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. We're gonna get that going. I'm actually gonna shut those burners off. And then lettuce, you rinsed it, cut it in half.
Well, the whole thing goes on. See, I thought he was going to pull off leaves and throw them on.
No, the halves.
All right.
Full half.
And do these get flipped?
Nope.
Just one side.
Just want one side. I have a feeling my garlic bread's gonna be burnt.
And it's high heat, Jeff?
high heat.
And you've done this on the grill and it works fantastic, right?
I did this on the griddle.
Yeah.
And actually worked really good too. Oh yeah.
Let it go, let it go.
Yeah. So that's what you're looking for. All right, so lettuce is done. It's that
quick.
That quick. So you still want it to be kind of cold on the other side, on the bottom side. That's what you're looking for. Does that look good?
Yeah, looks good.
All right. So whenever you order this at a restaurant, if you ever do, which I strongly suggest, they come out and they give you 2 pieces, so 2 halves. So you get a whole heart of romaine. Look at that.
That's what you're looking for, right?
Yep. Butchering it. That stuff. This one's done too. It's a nice color. Shut that down. So that's going to be done. Just going to leave this on for a couple seconds longer. Chris decided to test it before we turned the cameras on. And just so you guys know, Nate's not really feeling great. He came back from vacation, and we feel really bad for him because he goes on like 7 vacations a year, and sometimes he gets overwhelmed with how many vacations. But anyways, besides that,
Too much partying.
he is actually muscling through this as far as to show up. So we give him props for that.
But
sure.
the burnt lettuce, the home run, I actually really like it.
We put some Asiago on
It's
it
like
too.
charred lettuce.
Charred lettuce. So we get some grated Asiago there, or shaved.
The dressing, you cannot taste the anchovies at all. It's actually very delicious. It complements the chicken and the lettuce very good. The lettuce is just a different profile. I can't figure it out. It's kind of warm and kind of cold, like you said, Jeff.
Well, there's temperature change and texture change.
It's the char, I guess. It tastes good. It's got a flavor, like an aroma to it as well.
The bottom side, the char side, starts to get a little soft and wilty, obviously, because it's charred, but the top side is still cool if you take it off quick enough. You don't want to cook it through, you just want it to get that color. What about the garlic bread?
Garlic bread, fantastic, dude.
It doesn't look like you took a bite.
I didn't. I did over there.
Like I thought you...
It was perfect.
All right, guys, if you made it this far, we appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment, share the comments, share the videos, let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.
If you want more lettuce cooks, just let us know.
Yeah, cheers.
Let us.
Let us know. Let us know. See you in the next one.